Hi everyone, and welcome to a haul video. I rarely do these, but I also rarely have been shopping. So I finally got two of my packages. I actually ordered these packages somewhere in April, May. They got stuck in all of the craziness of what USPS is and international mailing and flights not flying because of the pandemic and all of those things. However, they recently just came into my mailbox. I finally got them here, and now I'm doing a video of them. I actually have recorded some different craft videos with them already, so they are coming up later, either this week or next. But let's jump into the haul itself. First of all, just a note, my hands will be moving in very strange ways because I'm doing a voiceover after, because the audio that I was recording was not able to be recovered, so sorry about that. This is the Under the Sea stamp bundle, theme bundle. You can only get this as the bundle. This was the first package that I ordered. It contains 5 stamp sets, 4x6 stamp sets, some die cuts and some dies. So jump in with the stamps. We have the first one, which is called Waving Hello. It's a cute little mermaid. I was hoping to be able to use them for mermaid, but apparently that wasn't in the cards, so all the cards will be coming now. You have a little stamp set with little stamps and a little sentiment you can use, and that little cute kitty mermaid. I really like that. Then we have what's cracking, an octopus, and a little doggy mermaid. So yeah, it's gonna be so fun playing with all these mermaids. Next is We Mermaid to Be Friends. Adorable, very cute little mermaid, and that little extra thing. And the final stamp set is the You Are Fantastic, and it's a merman. We rarely get mermans in mermaid stamps, so I'm really happy to get a merman for once. And that is actually the first card that is coming up later this week or next week. You'll see. I also have a package of die cuts. It is 54 pieces. These are laser cut die cuts, and they are printed on or with a toner printer, so you can actually do some foiling on them, which also coming up later this week. But yeah, there's a lot of things that already has been recorded. That's good. Then we have the die sets. You get 2 of them. The first one has kind of these land things, and then also those little anemones. Is that what they are called? I don't know. I know that even Americans have hard to even pronounce that, so yeah. But then it's sand, kind of cool to build up scenes with. And then you also have some waters and some waves. You can use them both as waves or as kind of shallow clouds. You can always use things in multiple ways. So that was the whole bundle pack. There will be links in the description down below to all of these supplies. All the bundles come in these little binder rings, which I think is really cool, especially when you buy a bunch of different things and you want to know what was in the bundle and what was in something else. But so they are kind of put together. Really enjoy that touch, and also I'm gonna use those rings for other things. I have so many plans for this fall. So here's the next package, which was a much bigger package. I also got a couple of freebies in these. By the way, I am not affiliated with Stamp Anything, but I kind of fell in love with all of the supplies. So here comes that order. I'm going to start with the things that I bought that was separately. We have these banner dies. They are same model but different things, so you can kind of layer them onto each other. I think that was kind of cool. Also the one at the bottom, you can probably use a little bit of a ribbon in that and kind of go through it, do something fun with it. I don't know, I'm quite excited over this. Yeah, I'm gonna have a lot to play with here coming up again this fall. I also picked up these, which are the corner edgers, and the reason why I really love this is that you can use any rectangular die or actually cut your cardstock on your trimmer, and then you can give it whatever edge that you want to. Many of my dies that are rectangular dies or something that have edges have either all 4 corners or on 2 corners. Here you can choose if you want to have 1 corner, all 4 corners, or how many ever you want, which is really fun. And you can also mix and match. You can have multiple different corners on different places. So yeah, I'm super excited to get to use these two. I have a plan for an upcoming card. We'll see if that will be a realization, but hopefully it will. Then we have the rest of the things that were separate. Again, these things you can buy all of them one at a time. It's not in a big bundle. So first I have this pin, which is very, very cool, fun, laughable. It's shit. It's fun. And then we have some enamel dots. I love enamel dots. I have loads of enamel dots from other companies, but I thought I'd try these ones too. Then I have the Shoot for the Stars stamp set, and Annie, who owns Stamp Anything, actually threw in the outline dies for it. I usually don't use the outline dies. I am a fussy cutter. I kind of like fussy cutting, but I thought, hey, it's really nice that you threw them in, and now I can try using them and see if I like the amount of outline that you get with them, and so on. We'll see. Maybe that will be something I have in the future. But yeah. So that are those. Next is some coffee related things. You know, I love coffee. I just needed another coffee stamp set. She's super adorable, which is with her huge latte. Looks just like me. Then to combine those, I have the coffee beans stencil, and I have a burlap stencil. I know that I have used the burlap stencil before, and I think I have one in the stash that kind of have been removed from that company. They don't have it anymore, so I'm really, really happy to be able to have something to link to. I love burlaps. It's super cool. Yeah. So now we come to the last part, which is a camp bundle. Again, everything will be listed down below. No, first we have these. Sorry. Annie actually threw all of these into my package. She was super sweet. So I have all of these little cute adornments, and excuse the kitty hair. I have 2 long-haired kitties. So they're very simple tinsels and sequins, and I love making shaker cards, so I really like these. So you can both use them as shaker cards, but also you can use them as accents on your cards. And even though I'm not a purple person, I'm thinking about trying to make some purple cards this upcoming fall. So yay, a whole bunch of these fun stuff. And as you see, I still continue talking. I have no clue what I said there. But anyhow, yeah, links in the description. As usual, links in the description. Now is the camp bundle that I've been teasing for a little while. You have some dies, some die cuts, and some stamps. So let's go through the die cuts first. We have this twigs die cut, 2 of them, and then you have these mountain tops where you can go both just the outline but also the kind of the whites of the top. And then we have a camping out 36 piece of these die cuts. Again, they are printed with a toner, so you can foil them if you want to. And then we have 5 more stamp sets. This little cute camp guy. These stamps are actually called Camp 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, we have the camp girl with time to relax sentiment. Then you have some little sleeping bag, fire, drinking flask, flag, and a little lamp. And life is more fun with you. We have some more sentiments for the cards and a little sign thingy and a little tent. And that was all for my little haul. I hope you liked it. If you do, please thumbs it up. It means a lot to me. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Down below you find all the details and all the links to everything. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and I really enjoy your comments. So yay or nay, do you like a whole video like this? Would really like to know that. But yeah, I'll see you later. Bye. And again, thank you so much for watching. I am super happy to be back making videos again.